located in Pamulang Elok, Dahlia Street number 26. Now I'm in the living room. I like study in the living room. There are so many pictures. The color of my living room wall is white. I have 2 bathrooms and 3 bedrooms. I like sleep in my bedroom with my mom and younger sister. This is my kitchen. My mom likes to cooking there. The color of my kitchen set is brown. This is my cat. It is very cute and funny. The color of my cats are yellow, black and white, and green. This is my aquarium. The color of my fish are various. And I like to feed my cat and my fish. The color of my car is black, while the color of my motorbike is red. Here it is my garden. My mom likes to plant.